Okay, so for some reason, you have to call someone without showing your number, or basically have like an unknown call. So how do you do that? Well, then watch till the end of this video to learn how to do it with many methods that I will teach you. Let's get started. Okay, so the first method to do it is by making a private call. And well, we're gonna use like this third-party website on Google. So firstly, search on Google Glob phone. And on the very top, tap on Glob phone. Okay, so on this website, you're gonna see 4 choices as you scroll down. First will be video, second will be share, third will be SMS, and fourth will be call. And well, we're going to make a call, so we tap on the 4th choice. And now we're gonna choose the country and the phone number that we're dialing. And then simply you can put in the information and call them. So let me show you the example right here. So here, I'm calling someone. And there you go, it's starting to ring. That means this app is actually working. And there you go, you can pick up the phone from the other side to see it. And now you have successfully called someone without really showing a number. Okay, now for the second method, which you do is under the phone settings. Okay, so go under the phone application, and on the top right, tap on the 3 dots. And from there, you're gonna see the pop-up, and there you can tap on settings. Okay, now scroll down and you're gonna see the supplementary services, or it will also say additional settings on your phone. Now here it will say show caller ID. And you can simply tap on that, and now here the 3 pop-ups came. And now here you can tap on the hide number. And there you go, by doing this you have hidden the number not only from one person, but for everyone. Now there is one more method that I will tell you about as well. And this is simply just the easiest way to do this without really bugging all your settings. Okay, so simply on Android, go to your phone app, and before you dial their number, now this is a secret trick. Now right here, press the star button and then type 67. And now what this will do is, it will basically hide your caller ID. This is similar from the iPhone, however, this is like directly inside the app. So simply press star 67 and it will hide your call number. And there you go, these were the 3 methods with which you can hide your phone number and make it unknown. If this video helped you, please leave a like. And if you want to see more content like this, please subscribe. Until then.